So, are you excited for today, Alex?
Excited. I'm excited. I'm a little bit scared. I'm anxious, but I am so happy to do it. Guys, you're seeing the thumbnail and the title of the video. We are going to walk from the airport in Malta to the capital city, Valletta. Now, for some people will be like, doing this video, what did he do? She just walked? Well, I don't walk that much, and also, you never know what we're gonna find along the way. Plus the roads. I mean, I have never seen how the roads are for pedestrian. Cars will be honking. God knows what's gonna happen, but I'm so excited and I think it's time for us to head to the airport and we're gonna start this 1.5 hour journey towards the capital city, Valletta. Let's go. So guys, we are on the way to the airport. Thank God I live nearby. We're gonna leave the car there and straight on foot to Valletta. And as well, if this video hits 100,000 views until the end of February, I am going to walk from the southest part in Malta until the northest part in Malta. I'm promising you. So now it's up to you guys whether you like to share this crazy video to get me to that crazy challenge or no. See you at the airport. Exactly from inside, I'm seeing all these people that they're arriving and they're departing from Malta. It's amazing. Anyway, for anyone who is arriving in Malta, let's begin with the video. Off on foot to the capital city, Valletta. I'm so excited. This is completely different from anything that I do in my regular time off. What I do for YouTube, hey? What do I do for YouTube? Hey! Woohoo! Yay! Celebrity! Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're arriving in Malta, as soon as you go out of the airport, this is the first roundabout you're gonna find. Wait there, wait. Yoo-hoo! Welcome to Malta, where construction on the roads is priority on the island. Super, we have a safe passageway next to the road. Pedestrian walkway. Hey, look at these guys. Wow. Uh-oh, I'm scared. We're getting next to the road. So you guys, we just passed the first roundabout next to the airport, which is going to be connected with the second roundabout, which is under construction, being built, which is called Luqa. Have a look at this. I mean, I know that at the moment the footage that you're seeing on the screen, it looks so ratchet and ugly, but once all of this is done, which is being built just for the sake of the traffic in Malta, it's going to look amazing. Speaking of, we need to go that way. So from here or from there? Maybe if there is this zebra cross, we can go from here. Let's go. And here I am risking my life. Now I know that my mom is watching this video and she's having nearly heart attack and she'll be like, Alexander, what are you doing? I didn't even tell her that I'm doing this video, so Mama, I'm still alive. So the first city that we are seeing on the screen, guys, it's called Luqa. Look how cute and how Maltese this place looks like. And have a look at this vintage beauty. Cool, I'm seeing that Luqa has also a charging point for electric cars.
Makes sense, you know?
Yeah, what's that green thing?
So you see that green path? So that should be a pedestrian path.
Okay,
So
I hope so.
All the way down. I hope so.
Yeah, it looks like there is something. Jesus.
I hope so.
Let's try.
So
Let's go.
okay.
I am so happy that I have this stick in front of me because aside of seeing myself, you can also see the whole scenery at the back, like including the garbage bags at the back. Okay, I think that we are on a right path. Let's see. Yep, we made it. Woohoo! I'm so happy that we have a passageway. The scene. It's so picturesque today with the clouds, with the blue sky, with these cactuses. Do you guys remember Jeepers Creepers, the movie? Well, this area really reminds me of that. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we've been half an hour already on the road and I don't feel tired. Do you? No, which is good. So we still have over an hour until we get to Valletta, but so far I'm kind of happy to know that there is like a connection for people to walk from the airport towards Valletta, which is excellent. So for and by the way, have you noticed that there is not so much traffic on the road, and it's currently 1:30 in the afternoon when I'm doing this video. But let's see what's gonna happen as soon as we start approaching the capital city, Valletta. So far so good, everything is going smoothly, there were no any incidents. Excuse me. By the way, this is also a new flyover and a road. Look, it's like a huge highway, the only one in Malta, that they have built, and I think it was ready somewhere around 2017, if I'm not mistaken. Whoever knows, please correct me right. So guys, we have a little bit of a dilemma because the Google map is showing us that we need to turn on the right. Jesus, the bus. I thought it's going to hit me. The fright that I just had was... Okay, so I think that we need to take this bridge. Let's go. We just enter the bridge and let's investigate what people are doing here. Let me see if there is any condoms around. No, but there is a bottle of Smirnoff. One like this, one like this, one like... I'm so happy, guys. We are officially kind of like halfway through our walk and a video. So, Jesus. We just make a conclusion and we said that it's quite safe to do this walk. I mean, up until this point where we are. Let's see what we're gonna find now until we enter to Valletta. There is a puppy. Puppy on the way. Puppy alert. Whee! How much I love dogs, that's insane. Especially anytime when I see them driving and their head is under through the window like me. Okay, so what do we have, Karina? Where we are, let's see.
We're here.
Okay, we are down there and we need to go up.
Do a shortcut till the point where you get to Valletta, right?
Okay.
This bus station, no? But still, I mean, we could always try to do a shortcut, but I think it just would be quicker to go on the highway, you know?
Quicker? And what about if we take this one in front of us? Because the Google map is showing us to go from there, but I would like to go from here,
Yeah, we could.
meaning we are going that way. Okay.
From here.
Maybe we'll like cut off quite a lot.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's try.
Let's do it. I am so happy that we took this way, guys. Look. Wow. Can we go in? I hope so. No one is going to say anything. This is so interesting. Oh, look at that cutie, the small one. This is such an experience for me, guys. Look at the scenery. Hey, wait, another thumbnail. Wow. I've never been in a place like this. Look. Wow. Look at the passageways. Eee, look at this. When it rains. I think we did a mistake. It's good? Okay, cool. So of course, because we are following my stupid brain of saying, let's go that way. This is what happened. We did a wrong turn and we ended up adding another 10 to 15 minutes for us to reach Valletta. It's okay, anyway. We don't have anything else to do rather than walk to the capital city, Valletta. Wow! This reminds me, in my country, in Skopje, in my city, we have a place which is called Shutka. Oh my God! Guys, I'm gonna walk slowly and I'll be talking quickly about this. I really like it because it has some kind of soul. Like you can see that this was used and abused. Look at that. Look at the scenery, how beautiful it looks. It gives you a nice vibe. It showed me like there is some history in all of this behind me. Oh my God, look at this thumbnail. Wait. This. We just checked Google Maps, guys, and we have to go on a curvy road which is like a hill. What on earth is this? Why is it so dirty? There is a lot of... Sorry. There is a lot of garbage on the roads. This is what I'm seeing. We are in Marsa right now. Marsa, sweetie, I have never done a video about you, but you're pretty dirty from everything we see. Hello. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. This is food. That's pasta. And it's full with mold. Wow. Boots, garbage. Pretty interesting. Please let me know, guys, if you would like me to do a dedicated video about Marsa. I think it's gonna be, if not the most watched video that I have ever had on my YouTube channel. What is this? Ooh, look at that. Christian Dior. Jesus Christ. Why there is so many clothes? What is this? More full. Hasn't been here for a day or two. This has been here for sure more than a year. Look at that. Woohoo! Used underwear. Come on, look at that. Come on. Used underwear in the middle of the street, on the road. Wait, let me do like they're doing in the movies. We are in Floriana, guys. Finally, I can see some civilization and I can see more of kind like clean roads. Aside of the leaves, which is quite expected as well. Oh my God, we are approaching very slowly to Valletta. Oh, no, sorry. Oops. Okay, we made it. Now let's try to cross here as well. Yay, civilization! Finally, we can see something nice of Malta. Woohoo! Amazing. Proper Maltese street with a nice Maltese balconies. Look at that. So, showing you this now and reminding you of where we started and where we've been through. What a difference. The same country and so many different areas. Some of them that they don't look at all to one another, if you know what I mean. And right now we are walking through this spot in Floriana, which kind of like reminds me of Rome, I would say. With all these, I don't know what is the name of these arches here, but it looks amazing. So I was just seeing how beautiful this coffee shop looks like, and then I saw this. Toilets to be used by our customers only, but look at the only. Or else 2 euros, thank you. Business! We are nearly there, guys, nearly there. Look at me, how excited I am. Last few steps, last few steps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Officially, we made a whole walk from Malta Airport to Valletta. It took us 8 kilometers. We did 13,000 steps and we burned 300 calories. Guys, I am so happy doing this challenge. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, if this video is going to make 100,000 views and 1,000 likes until the end of February, we are going to make a whole walk from the southest part of Malta to the northest part of Malta. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please make sure to like it down below and don't forget to smash the subscribe button as well. And until I see you in my next one, bye! Hey!